Defecation is a vital function to keep the body healthy. Constipation occurs when fecal matter hardens in the colon, and it becomes difficult to have a bowel movement. Dehydration, stress, lack of exercise, and fiber deficiency are some causes of constipation. Overeating and consuming junk food can also contribute to infrequent bowel movements. It's also a common side effect of many prescription medications. Home remedies for constipation relief immediately. Before going to next, kindly like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. 1. Water. Drinking enough water can be the first step to constipation relief. When an individual becomes dehydrated, the body starts pulling water from all over the body, including the colon. Staying hydrated by drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water a day can keep stool soft, making bowel movements more frequent and comfortable. 2. Exercise. Regular exercise can help maintain healthy bowel movements. Both vigorous and passive activity can have a positive effect on the bowels. Running can jostle the intestines and colon in a manner that encourages the stool to move. Participating in sports activities, dancing, or even walking for 10 to 15 minutes once or twice a day can help keep you regular. 3. Abdominal massage. Massaging the abdomen can be a beneficial home remedy for constipation. Lying on your back, press the abdomen in a clockwise motion for approximately 10 minutes. You can do this massage twice a day. The clockwise motion helps push stool in the colon toward the rectum. Drinking hot water or tea before the massage can further improve the gastrointestinal system. 4. Fiber. Eating enough fiber can contribute to a healthy digestive system as well as weight loss. The daily recommendation for dietary fiber consumption is 25 to 30 grams of fiber. Fiber can be soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber gives stool density, while insoluble fiber can contribute to the pace in which it moves through the colon. 5. Probiotics. Digestion supported with probiotics can reduce constipation. Probiotics help restore healthy bacteria in the digestive system. Found naturally in foods such as sauerkraut and yogurt or taken as a supplement, probiotics can be added to your daily regimen to prevent or relieve constipation. 6. Castor oil. A natural laxative, castor oil derived from the castor bean can be taken orally to stimulate a bowel movement. Not only does this ancient oil lubricate the intestines, but it also causes the intestines to contract. Take castor oil as directed, 1 to 2 teaspoons on an empty stomach. Allow up to 8 hours before a bowel movement occurs. 7. Coffee. Drinking caffeinated coffee can stimulate a bowel movement. Caffeine can cause the muscles in the intestines to contract. This stimulation can move the stool toward the rectum. Though caffeinated coffee can help move bowels, it can also be dehydrating. Be sure to drink plenty of water when drinking caffeinated beverages, as not to worsen the condition. 8. Senna. Senna is an herb that utilizes the leaf, flower, and fruit of the cassia plant. It's been used for thousands of years as a natural laxative. Senna is a stimulant laxative that helps the digestive tract to contract. Often drunk as a tea, senna can be very effective and work within several hours after consumption. 9. Tea. Warm liquids can be soothing to the digestive and gastrointestinal systems. Certain teas such as ginger and peppermint help upset stomachs. Below is a list of teas that could prove to be helpful if you are experiencing constipation. Ginger. This warming spice generates heat and speeds up digestion. Peppermint. The menthol can soothe an upset stomach and move stool through intestines. Chamomile. Relaxes the digestive muscles, which can prevent the bowels from moving on their own during stress and tension. Licorice root. Its anti-inflammatory properties can ease the digestive system after a meal. Dandelion root. Alleviates mild constipation by stimulating the liver. Black or green tea. Caffeinated tea works similarly to coffee in stimulating the bowels. 10. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can help flush toxins from the body. As a natural digestive aid, lemon juice can be added to drinking water or tea to enhance bowel stimulation. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best. 11. Aloe vera. Often used externally to soothe cuts and burns, you can also take aloe vera orally to soothe the digestive tract. Drink aloe vera juice plain or add it to smoothies or other beverages to help alleviate constipation and IBS. 12. Coconut water. Drinking coconut water can be detoxifying and hydrating. It increases kidney function and stimulates the digestive system. Magnesium is also naturally found in coconut water, which helps the muscles in the intestinal wall move fecal matter out of the body. I hope you get your solution. Thanks for watching.